Top 5 Amazon KDP niches, episode 20. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money in life fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the 20th episode of Top 5 Amazon KDP niches. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Our first niche for today is Employee Time Logbook. It is 263 results on Amazon. And let's do a quick scroll down so we can see the top books in this niche. On the first page is not Amazon KDP, so we're going to go to the second page and the third results. These ones definitely look like Amazon KDP as well as this one. Let's take a look at this one. This was definitely KDP, and we can see that it's selling and it has sold at $5.99. And scrolling down, we can see that all of them have BSR. Look at this one too. All of them have BSRs. So we can see that all these books are selling, and therefore we have validated the niche. We know that this niche is definitely selling. These ones have reviews, review. This one I don't think is KDP, but these other ones are definitely KDP and they all have reviews. So our next step is to go to Creative Fabrica and see what interior they have for us. This is the Daily Employee Time Logbook by Creative Fabrica, and over 12 people have this in favorite. It's available in PDF, InDesign, and PowerPoint if you want to edit it, and it's also available in the size 8.5 by 11 inches and 100 pages, just ready for you to upload. So what does it have? Let's see what it includes. It includes employee contact, month, year, supervisor, department, date, time in, time out, break, hours worked, overtime, hours, vacation hours, sick hours, total. So that's what it includes. No reviews yet, but I think it's a very clean interior, and I don't think it has a cover. No cover. I didn't say anything about a cover, so you have to make your own cover by yourself. So as usual, there's a link in the description below. If you want to check it out, just quickly click that link and take a look at these interiors. This one is priced at 80 cents, but I'll always advise that you get the monthly plan so you can have access to all the interiors. So let's move to Publisher Rocket and see what keywords you can find with this niche. Employee time logbook, here are the keywords. I'm just going to quickly do a scroll for you. Alright, there you go. Those are the keywords. So we're going to move into the second niche. Second niche for today is the Menopause Journal, and it's 279 results on Amazon. Scrolling down, we can take a look at the first niches or the top book ranking in these niches. As you can see, this one here is sponsored. It hasn't sold yet, but these other ones right here have sold. This one and this one. This one is actually funny. It says hot flashes and my cardio. So, menopause always comes with hot flashes. That's what my mom tells me. I have no idea about that. So this is actually very funny right here. So as we can tell, this niche is selling. We can see that these books have BSRs, healthy BSRs. So the next step we're going to do is to go to Creative Fabric and see what interior they have for us. So this one is KDP Menopause Journal Interior. It already has a review. Somebody has already purchased this. Well, 39 people have added this to favorites. So I think it's a hot cake. And the book is available in PDF, InDesign, and PowerPoint, meaning we can edit it if we want to. And it's also available in 6 by 9 inches and 100 pages. So if we do a scroll down, we can see what it includes. It includes this menopause journal interior belongs to physical symptoms, mood changes, medications, exercise, and notes. And Let's take a look at the review. It says good one. Actually, the person likes this book or likes the interior. And that's it for this journal. I think the interior is very clean. The menopause journal, physical symptoms, you're going to check it if you have those symptoms. Mood changes, you're going to check if you have those mood changes. Medications, I think this makes it easier for you if you're going to a doctor's visit and the doctor asks you, what medications are you taking? Instead of thinking, you just take a look at your menopause journal and take a look at the medications and take a look at your symptoms too. It makes it easy for you to keep track of how you're feeling. So I think the book is very essential and many people are going to want this book. So that's it for the interior. We're going to go to Publisher Rocket and see what keywords you can use with this book. So I'm just going to quickly do a scroll for you. So there you have it. Those are the keywords. We're going to move to the third niche for today, which is appointment book for hairstylist. So this book, it's over 201 results on Amazon, and let's quickly do a scroll for the top books in this category. So there you have it. I was searching for a KDP book because the ones I passed above are not KDP. This one right here is KDP, price $6.99. It has sold. This one right here too, KDP, and it already has a review. And this one right here is KDP. So as you can see, this book is definitely selling, guys. Uh, this one too can be KDP. I'm not sure about it because I'm seeing some glitter. I'm not sure if this belongs to KDP or not, but this one's right here, definitely KDP. So guys, as you can see, these books are selling. We're gonna go to Creative Fabric and see what interior they have for us. It's the KDP appointment book, and 35 people have added this to favorite. What do you get with this book? This appointment book for hairstylist belongs to. You have the name, phone number, email, date, time, and days of the week. That's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And they also have the notes. So no reviews yet. And the book is also available in InDesign and PowerPoint presentation files as well as PDF. If you want to edit anything, you can make those edits. Then it's also available in PDF too. You can upload it like that if you want to. It's available in 100 pages and the size is 8.5 by 11. So that's it for the interior, guys. We're gonna go to Publisher Rocket and see what keywords we can use with this niche. So I'm gonna quickly do a scroll for you. So that's it for this niche. We're gonna go to our fourth niche of the day, which is expense tracker logbook. So this logbook is 697 results on Amazon. And if you do a quick scroll, this one is the first result I see, and that's because it's sponsored, but it hasn't sold yet, as you can tell from the BSR. It says not applicable. So with a book like this, our advice actually it was put up May 1st, it was uploaded May 1st. But a book like this, if you're entering into a niche which is new and you haven't sold yet, I will recommend that you go at a lower price to encourage someone to buy your book before you increase the price back to what you want it to be. But going directly with a price like $9.99, it might not quickly get a sale if the books of other people are priced at a lower price. So this one is priced $10.99. The same thing like above. I'll recommend that you go for a lower price. And let's take a look at this one. Expense tracker logbook. Yep, this one is priced at $6.10. So you need to do your research before you price your book. If people are searching for expense tracker logbooks and they come across this one, It already has a review as well as it has a lower price. So tell me, do you really expect a person to go for a higher price like yours with no review? Or are they gonna go for a lower price like this with review? So you have to think about it. If you've made several sales at a lower price and you already have reviews, then can you increase the price of your book? But if you start out no reviews, no sales, so how do you expect someone to trust that your book is a good one? So you need to think about that before you post your book for sale. You need to do research prior to posting your book for sale. You need to have the right price, the keywords, and everything. I provide those keywords to you here on this channel as well as the niches. So all you need to do is to provide the right prices. All right, so spelling that, we can see that this book is selling on this niche is selling. Food vendor 2, this one too is selling. So guys, this niche is a good one, as you can tell from the reviews and the BSR. So all we're going to do is go to Creative Fabrica and get the interior. So I can already see a review right here. Let's scroll down and see who left the review and what they said. So they said Lisa Mills said perfect, thanks. And as you can tell, these other people love or want the book. 21 people want this book. And the pack contains InDesign PowerPoint presentation files as well as PDF files if you want to edit it. And it's available in 100 pages. The size is 6 by 9 inches. And what do you get? You get this expense tracker belongs to the date, the description, amount spent, cash credit, need, and want. So that's what you get with this interior. That's what the interior looks like. This is how it looks like. Let's see if it comes with a cover. So no cover, you have to make a cover by yourself. You always have vexels for that if you want covers. Take a look at vexels. There's a link in the description below. And we're going to go to Publisher Rocket to see what keywords we can use with this niche. So it's an expense tracker logbook. I'm just going to quickly do a scroll for you. So that's it for this niche. We're moving on to the fifth and the last niche for the day, which is massage therapist logbook. Is 126 results on Amazon. And if we do a quick scroll, this one is not a KDP book, and it might be KDP, but it is not low content book. That's what I mean. So if we do a scroll, this one too is not low content notebook. Oh yeah. So it is a session notebook, which can be it is a session notebook which can be a therapist notebook. This one right here. So it's definitely KDP and it's already selling at $8.99. And I was looking for the one that said therapist logbook. So this one is definitely for therapists. And as you can see, it has sold at the price $7.99. And if we keep scrolling, massage therapist logbook, this one too has sold. And massage therapist appointment book, yeah, this one has a review. So guys, this niche is definitely selling. Let's take a look at the interior on Creative Fabrica. And as you can tell, over 22 people have added it to favorite. Available in PDF, InDesign PowerPoint. So you can edit it if you want. Then you have it's available in 8.5 by 11 inches, 100 pages. So let's take a look at what is included. What is included is the massage therapist logbook, company name, address, phone number, email, website, logbook, start date, logbook number, hours logged, that's the date, the therapist, and the duration. Client information is also available, start time, end date, cost, next session, personal development plan, safeguarding concerns, action notes, comments, therapy signature. Wow, so many things in this interior, guys. So it's a really healthy interior. We're going to move into Publisher Rocket and see what keywords we can use with this niche. So it's a massage therapist notebook. I'm just going to quickly do a scroll for you. So there you have it, guys. That's it for this niche. If you found it helpful, if you found these 5 niches helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to learn more about KDP and print on demand, this is the channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next